We're going to show you how to fill the registration for your HP Plus printer. Yes, we will show you what not to do in order to get a fail to register your printer or other error codes. And this is pertaining to the HP Plus printer, the HP LaserJet MFP M234dwe Printer. So let's go to Play Store and download our HP Smart. Do a search for HP Smart and install the app. Once the app is installed, open the app. One of the ways that we encountered to get a failed registration was to sign into our account. So let's do that. Tap on Create Account. So we will sign in to our account. Tap on Sign In. So once we are signed in, tap on Account. Select I accept. So your account will show you the list of printers that you have added to HP Smart. Now, there is an app printer over there. Tap on it. Once you tap on the app printer, it will ask you for your printer claim code, which is easily available from the info page that you can print from your printer. So method number 1 to register your printer is to use the claim code by this method through your account. Let's cancel and head back to HP Smart. So the next method that will cause you to fail in your registration for your HP Plus printer would be to again log into your account, but this time you use the hpsmart.com method. So let's open our internet browser. Go to hpsmart.com. Over here, when you sign into your account, similar to when you go into your account from your HP Smart app, if you are to tap on App Printer, it will prompt you to enter your printer claim code. Again, if you do that, then you will fail to register your HP Plus printer. So that's method number 2. So we have just shown you 2 methods that you must not do in order to get a fail to register your printer error. And this is pertaining to the HP Plus printer. So in summary, do not use any claim code to register your HP Plus printer, because by doing so, you will not be able to enroll your printer successfully for the 6 months free trial. The proper method to enroll successfully is to use the HP Smart app, and that is to add your first printer, which we will not show here, but please refer to our video on the unboxing on how to do a successful enrollment, so that you can get your 6 months free trial of toner.